Another item that we'll want to take a look at is creating a free lesson. Free lessons in LifterLMS are super powerful for marketing your course. If you're going to post on Twitter or Reddit or wherever you're answering people's questions in your community, you can create free lessons inside of Lifter and link directly to these lessons for people to get a sample of your online course. So on the right-hand side, we see I have my course welcome and all of my lessons included in my course. If I wanted to make some of these free, I could click Edit Course, launch the course builder, and then I'm going to expand all. And there's the free lesson feature over here. If I click that little settings icon, free lesson, just a little checkbox right here where I can allow this lesson to be free. And we can see there's a little blue icon over there on the left-hand side that it turns blue when it's a free lesson. And what this allows me to do is actually share this URL. This is going to be the link to my lesson. If I click it, I can share this URL anywhere I want on social media. And whenever someone clicks on this, they're going to be able to view the lesson, and it says free. There's a little free badge up there. This is a super useful feature to give users a tour of what your course looks like, give them an experience of taking your course. And in this course, I just have a video, but I could have a PDF, downloads, and all that kind of stuff included in my lesson. And this naturally makes people curious. I see all this other stuff over here on the right-hand side included in this course. And so then they might be interested in enrolling in the course. They would naturally go from here to saving strategy and then check out the pricing options for the course. And a neat trick that I've done on some of my LMS websites is even including the pricing table inside of the lessons. LifterLMS.com/docs/shortcodes. There is a shortcode to include the pricing table that we see on the course. If I go to pricing table, this would be product 123. This is a quick demo of how to use shortcodes in kind of an interesting way. Let me go back over as the website admin real quick and edit this lesson. If I want to put in a shortcode block in WordPress, it says product 123. I'm actually going to need to know what my course ID is. So if I edit my course, I'm just on my general course edit page. I can see 3367 in the URL. That's going to be the ID for my course. So I'm going to replace 123 in my shortcode with 3367. Basically saying get the pricing table for product 3367, which in this case is the course. So now that I have that pricing table in my lesson directly, when I send people the link to view my free lesson, they'll also see the pricing table right here inside the lesson. This is kind of an interesting way to even put your pricing on the page where you're sending people to the resource. So I'll sometimes put the pricing box inside of my free lessons, but free lessons are a super underrated feature in my opinion of Lifter. I would recommend setting maybe like the best 20% of your course to free lessons and then sharing those links out on social media for people to check out your course and see the content that you're creating on your website. It's a really great distribution method for getting people into your online course website.